Hello po, lalaro po ko ng isang laro na kailangan nyong laruin. Tapos, i-start agad. Oh, shut up.
Ay, nagsasagot na.
Tarupom. Wait. Shut up. This game needs more.
Ano, nagsasagot.
Wait, this game needs more attention. Shut up! I am with somebody that is so annoying. So guys, dapat yung laruin to. Nakaka-addict.